consists of so much makeup, so much vlogs. My cousins are always on my channel. My family's on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to stay tuned in to all of that stuff and see my infamous cousin always gets 6 love on my channel. You know who you are, Lenra. You know who you are. You know who it is. You know who I'm talking about. I decided to do this Valentine's Day look because I've never done one on my channel. And I just want to do something different. And I'm just looking at my monitor. And my monitor, I be looking all fleek. Like, oh wait, hold on. No one says fleek anymore. I be looking lit. Like, my face, I look dewy and glowing and beautiful, like looking at my monitor. So you guys gotta try this look out. You best believe you gotta try this look out. I thought it was so appropriate to do a Valentine's Day look, make it nice and sexy and smoky when you sitting there with your boo. Look at my face. Don't it look on fleek? Actually, no one says that anymore. Does it look lit? Look poppin', booming? Make sure you like my face, because you ain't getting no more looks like this until next year Valentine's Day. Oh, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna take my Too Faced Shadow Insurance eye primer and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid because we just want our eyeshadow to stick and be blended. The lid, not taking off the product. I'm just putting it underneath my eye. So now I am going to take my MAC palette. So this palette actually broke. I actually dropped it more than once. This palette's not something that I use very often, but I said, hey, let me just grab this palette and I'm going to do a look from it. So we are going to be using this black color. We're going to use this color as our transition color. So we're just applying this beautiful transition color into our crease. So we're going to take the Morphe M504 brush and we're going to apply Embark into our crease. So we're just going to apply this on top. So we're just making sure that everything flows evenly and beautifully, because we don't want our eyes to look like we got sock in the face. You know what I'm saying? Like, we want to make sure that everything is just booming. So now I'm going to be taking this dark purple glittery eyeshadow here, and I'm going to apply this onto my lid. Now, I don't know the name of it. I have to pop it out of my palette, and then once I pop it out, I can tell you what color it is. I will put it right here, okay, so that you guys can see. But I'm going to apply this to the lid. See how easy this is? It's like stupid easy. That is stupid easy. It's stupid easy. So we're just applying this glittery plum color to the lid, and it's like a dark purple. And we're just going to take that color and we're going to push it into our crease color. I'm using my Inglot gel eyeliner and I love this stuff. Okay guys, so I have finished my eyes and putting on my lashes and my eyeliner So I'm just gonna finish my contour, my highlight, put on my blush, my highlight powder, and then we're gonna do our bottom lash. Now that my face is almost done, my highlight's done, my contour, my highlight powder, my blush, now we're gonna apply our eyeshadow on our bottom lash line. So I'm going to take my smudger brush, and I am using my Morphe MB27 brush. Now I'm taking Opal and I'm going to apply this into the inner tear duct just to brighten it up a little bit, like that. And then I'm going to put this into our brow bone. I love this highlighter. And then we're going to apply mascara to our bottom lashes. So now I'm taking ColourPop's Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick and take a Pixie. Look. Now I'm taking my Tatcha, I don't think I'm saying that right, is it Tatcha? But I'm taking my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist Spray and I am spraying this all over my face. Oh, yes. So nice, and I only have a little bit left. Stuff is amazing. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So I actually loved the way that my makeup came out. Like, this is how I'm gonna be looking on Valentine's Day. Actually, maybe not. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe and you watch this video and you don't subscribe, I'm gonna feel offended. Like, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna feel so offended if you watch this video and don't subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Adriana Oscar 95 for my infamous Snapchat, and Adriana Ohh for Instagram and Facebook. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye.